Hello everyone and welcome to kundanstech.com. In this tutorial we will see how to fix the internet connection issue in Windows. Sometimes if you are trying to connect the internet, then maybe you have a problem in your system. You don't know what's the problem. So I will tell you step by step process by which you can fix the internet connection problem in Windows. The first thing to check is whether it's only the system you are using which cannot connect to the internet, or are there other systems or which cannot connect to the internet. So try to connect the internet with other system or by using a smartphone. If you see that other smartphones or other computers also cannot connect to the internet, that means there is a problem with the router, or there is a problem not in your system but in the internet, in the router or the connection itself. So check at first whether other devices can connect to the internet or not. Now the next thing after that is there is a simple process. What you can do is just restart the router to check if your computer can connect to the internet after you restart. Now the third step to fix the internet issue, connection issues, to check whether the driver for the network adapter card in your system is installed or not. For that one, you need to go to the device manager, right click on computer icon, click open network and sharing center, then after that click on device manager. Now you can check here whether your network adapter is installed or not. You have to expand this network adapters. You can see in this case this computer has a network adapter of Realtek which is installed correctly. If this network adapter is not installed correctly, you can see there will be a yellow exclamation mark in front. So check whether you have correctly installed the network adapter or not. Now the fourth step is to check whether this network adapter card is enabled or disabled. In this case it is enabled, but sometimes it may have been disabled, due to which you have problem with the internet connection. For example, if I right click on this one and click on disable button, what it is showing a message is that disabling will cause the internet internet connection issue. So if I will click on yes button, then what I can see is what I can see is the network adapter is right now disabled. So how can you say it is disabled? You can see there is a down arrow in front of this Realtek network adapter card. This will show that this networking card is currently disabled. So you have to enable it. Right click on it and click on enable button. Okay, so we have enabled the network adapter. So always check whether the network adapter is enabled or disabled, it is installed or not. Now the next thing which we can do in order to rectify the internet connection issue is to check whether our system is using proxy server or not. Go to control panel, then click on internet option, go to connections and click on LAN setting. Always remove this use a proxy server for your LAN if you are not using LAN card or if you are not using proxy server. Always remember this one, otherwise you cannot connect to the internet. Now the next step is to configure your TCP IP settings. For that one, what you can do is right click on this network icon, click on open network and sharing center, then click on the wireless network or your own network which you are connected. click on properties button. Then select Internet Protocol TCP IP version 4 and click on properties. Always make sure that you have selected Open DNS server address automatically and Open an IP address automatically. So this is how you can configure your TCP IP settings. So these are the process. First one is to check whether you can connect to the internet by using other devices. The second one is restart the router. The third one is check whether the router is or the adapter is networking adapter is installed or not. Then make sure the network adapter is enabled. Then make sure you don't have proxy server enabled if you are not using it. And the last one is configure your TCP IP settings. So this will help you to connect the internet. This will help you to solve the internet connection problem issue in Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also visit my blog kundanstech.com for more information.